What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? I'm super excited to share with you in this video how we are going to build a ClickBank business with Facebook ads. This is going to be a paid traffic method, but this is probably one of the most effective ways of building an affiliate business online. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial showing you each step on how to do this. So it's really going to be value-packed, and it's really perfect for beginners that are wanting to get started with ClickBank. And not necessarily only ClickBank, you can use other platforms such as digistore24.com, OfferVault, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. You can apply this method for any niche, for any product. So you can build this business around any niche that you're into. So if you're into fitness, you can build this around a weight loss program if you'd like to, and this will apply and this will work because I'm going to show you how to build effective ads throughout this video, or in this video that will help you convert a lot of your traffic into sales. And I've still been in the testing phase of actually trying this method out, so I haven't really invested a lot into it myself. I've been trying it out for the past 2 weeks, this exact strategy I'm going to show you in this video, and some days I've seen about $30 to $40 a day with about a $2 to $5 investment on that. So I mean, you can see right here on my ClickBank account, I've pretty much been going at this since the end of Feb up till the 11th of March, and I've really only been spending about $2 to $5 a day on Facebook ads, and this is the kind of sales that I've been seeing. $86 in a day, $66, $11, $21, $32, $29, $32. So this really has been good. The return on investment has been well over probably about 500-600%, which is really amazing considering I've only been investing about $5 a day on Facebook ads, and I'm seeing this kind of return. So what I'm going to do is, after this video, and I will keep you guys updated, I'm actually going to invest more with the revenue I've earned here into the same campaign to hopefully scale this up to $100, $200 per day using this exact strategy. And you can see right here, if I refresh the page, this is my current earnings right here, 86 plus minus dollars on the Feb 29th all the way up to March 11th. I haven't really seen any sales the last 2-3 days, but that's okay, as I'm going to start scaling with the revenue that I've already made by only investing this little bit into this. So I'm going to head over to the ClickBank affiliate marketplace, and I actually have a really good product in mind. I'm just going to use travel for now, as there's actually a great product. If I filter by gravity, there's this product that I've been using right here. Why Not Fly for Free? And this book was written by David Tinney, who's the author of the book, who teaches you how to nearly get every single flight for free. Some you probably will pay for, but you'll pay a lot less using the little known secrets and tricks that he teaches in this book. And he was a former pilot himself, so he obviously knows how this game works. So I took advantage of his product and have basically been using this offer to earn good revenue on ClickBank that is 50% per sale. So you can see on average you're going to get $12.36 per sale. So it's a very low ticket item, which means it's a very high selling item because it doesn't cost a lot of money. So that's why it's converting so well with such a little bit of investment. So now that we've got our product, I'm going to head over to my office at Builderall. I'll leave a link in the description where you can actually go and create an account. And this is basically a tool, an entire business builder in a box, where you can build email marketing businesses, landing pages, entire sales funnels. You can create like VIP access areas, Instagram autoresponders, professional chatbots, Telegram chatbots, animated video design, really cool tools and programs that you can use to build an entire online business, as well as e-learning, which is basically building your own e-school. But these are all the different tools that they offer here. So to get access to these, click on the link in the description down below. It is my affiliate link. So if you ever decide to upgrade to a paid package, I would get a commission for that. But this tool, what I really like about it, it's very similar to ClickFunnels, except it's like 1/10 of the price and you're getting much more. And the specific tool that I'm going to be using to build my landing page, because it's basically landing page to the offer, and then we're going to be promoting that on Facebook ads, which is a good thing because Facebook ads is obviously a very mature and older audience, which suits this kind of offer, being flight tickets. So you can see right here, Pixel Perfect Site Builder. I'm going to click on enter, which will take me to my dashboard, which will look like this. Right here, I can click on a new website up top left here. So I'm going to click on create new website, and there's basically a ton of template sales funnel themes that you can use. You'll see all the different categories here, such as Blog Express, design agency, events, music, fashion, e-blogs, teacher and daycare, entertainment. There's so many different awesome categories, and the one that I'm going to be using is this one right here, sales funnel, because we kind of want to create like a bridge sales funnel. So if I click on this, it will filter by all the sales funnels templates right here. And the perfect one that I actually saw for this, like a really nice and simple one that I've been using, that's been converting pretty well, is this one right here. This squeeze bridge funnel over here. So I can choose this one. I'm going to click on it and it will open it up in the page editor where I can create my landing page. There we go. So this is pretty much what it looks like. I'm going to come back here and you can see on the edit, there's an green edit button. I'm going to click on edit layout. And this is what the page builder looks like. It's like a drag and drop builder, like a WordPress or Wix or one of those websites, except this just comes with built-in sales funnels, which is much more handy. So this logo, I'm actually just going to delete. I don't need that. A good headline here, I can type something like, if I double click on this, I've added here, this former pilot reveals the travel industry's biggest secret on how to get flight tickets for free, fly free all the time. Then this email, we're not going to be doing any email collecting, as this is a low ticket product that only really applies for high ticket selling. So we can actually delete this completely. I'm going to delete this text as well. I'm going to delete this logo as well. And what we can do is here on the plus sign, if I click on this, there's actually a whole bunch of components that you can add. So I'm just going to add a basic button, and I'm going to put here this blue button over here called register now. And that's what this will end up looking like. I changed the button to the color yellow as I got tired of the color blue on this page. I just made it a different color yellow. It looks more appealing to the eye for me. I just prefer it on the yellow button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to then right click on this button, click on action, and then I'm going to click on web address, and this is where we need our affiliate link. So we need to come back to the affiliate marketplace on ClickBank, click on promote of our product. You can then type in your username on the account nickname to generate your hop link, and this is your affiliate link. So what this link means is when somebody purchases the product through this link, you're going to get your commission of $12.26 or 36 for that. So I'm going to come back to my page builder and I'm going to paste this here and click on open in a new tab. And before we publish this page, you want to make sure that this page is optimized for a mobile device. So what I'm going to do is this is exactly what the mobile device design looks like, because most people are actually going to be accessing this on a mobile device. So I'm going to put this button here like that. There we go, just like that. And I can then save this. And then you can type your domain. So I'm just going to put your free tickets and then click send. Then once you've saved this, you can come back to your builder or office. I'm going to enter my Pixel Perfect Site Builder again, so I can actually get the link to my website to show you what this landing page looks like first. Then what I can do is I can click on the link over here to open my site in a new tab. And this is what the final landing page will look like. So you'll see when I click on this link, it will open up my affiliate page in a new tab to this page where the person can then purchase their product. Now that we've got our landing page, we quickly need to design like a little image or like a little graphic design kind of picture for the actual Facebook ad. Then we can head over to Facebook ads and run that ad. So I'm going to head over to a website, a graphic design website called photo.com, where we can basically edit, drag and drop images and make a beautiful picture like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on create a design so I can create my design from scratch. And right here I have a ton of different templates that you can use, such as mobile wallpapers, channel arts. The one that we're looking for is a Facebook post, so that's actually perfect already. I'm going to use that by clicking on Facebook posts so I can view all their templates within a Facebook post. And what I'm going to do is I just typed in fly on the search bar to see what kind of flight themes I can find. And I'm actually going to use this one right here. I know it says paragliding, but I'm actually going to change it a little bit. And I'm going to head over to a website called pixabay.com where we can get free copyright stock free images. And I'm just going to put here aeroplane to see what I can find. Let's try plane. I'm actually going to use this one over here. So this is like a woman looking at a different flight terminals at an airport. So I'm going to free download this one. You can download this completely for free. I'm then going to come back to my website editor on photo.com. I'm going to delete this picture over here and I'm going to click on import an image up here. I'm going to re-upload that same picture that I've just downloaded, so I can drag and drop this over here like this so that it's behind this text. And I'm going to put here so that it's behind this text with some like bright blue colors. I'm actually going to change this color to like a nice kind of green color because the blue is looking a bit too much. And I'm going to type here free flights. This pilot teaches you how to fly anywhere for $0. And I can actually delete this button. I can delete this little location thing and this blue thing. I'm gonna increase the size of this red block to that so I can put that there. And I'm actually going to change this text to something more readable, to something like this, just to Alibaba Sans E. And I'm just going to move this a little bit right so it's not covering the lady. just like that. And that's a pretty cool Facebook ad picture that we can use. And then what I'm going to do is I can actually click on preview over here. And this is what your Facebook ad will look like. Free flights. This pilot teaches you how to fly anywhere for $0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save up here. I'm just going to type this as flights. And I'm going to save this as a JPEG, as high quality. And I'm going to sign in to download. And then I can download it on this link. And right here, this is what my picture looks like. And what you can do is you can create a couple of these. So change it around, change the pictures around, maybe add one of an actual airplane, and you can test out multiple campaigns at the same time in different areas. And I'm going to head over to my Facebook Ads Manager where I can create a brand new ad from scratch. This is my new account. So I'm going to click on create ad and I'm going to use a new campaign. So I'm just going to enter flight tickets, for example, or I'm actually just going to call this campaign ClickBank. Buying type, we want to get traffic to our website. Then for the new ad set, we can type flight travel, which is basically the niche within ClickBank, and then an ad name. We can literally copy this heading and we can put here discover how to fly for free and travel on a shoestring budget. Then I'm going to click on save to draft, and then under the ad set name we want to make sure our website our traffic is optimized for websites. We can leave dynamic creative off. Budget schedule. So what I did was I just started off with $5 a day, and I was reaching about 1.5k to 4.2 people a day, which is about 20 to 60 clicks on your link every single day, which I converted probably 2 to 3 sales a day, which as you saw was between $16 and nearly $100 a day on some days. But sooner or later I might scale up to $100 to get about 29,000 to 84,000 people reached to this offer, to hopefully try and scale up to $200 a day with this offer, since it's been working well already. So what you can do is you can start off with $5 if you like to. You can even start off with $1 if you like to, and you'll probably reach, that's how many people you'll reach. But $5 is more than enough to start, and this is your daily budget, what you're going to be spending every single day. Or you can do a lifetime budget and run it like within a week, so you can like spend $350 for the week, and this is how many people you will reach. But I prefer a daily budget as it just seems more effective for me. And then for an audience, you don't have to create any specific audience or target any specific city, but what I am going to do is I'm going to make use of detailed targeting, and I'm going to put for example, flight tickets. I'm going to put flight, like different keywords that's obviously related to the audience that we want to target. I'm going to go flight international. I can do that. I can also put in international flight. I can put your Qatar Airways. So like you put different airway company names. So when people are like searching for flights on Facebook and that, you're going to pop up. And then we go language. We can keep all languages. Connections, we can keep all connections. You can save this audience if you like. Placements, you can leave automatic. And then optimization for ad delivery, we want landing page views. And then what we can do is we can actually click on our ad over here and design the physical ad. So I'm just going to be using my Facebook page. You can create a new Facebook page if you want to, such as free airway or free flight travels or free tickets or airplane company, whatever you want to call it. You can create your own business page related in the air niche, or just a general business page, something like mine is just Millionaire Mindset. That's the page I'm going to use, that I've been using, and it's been working well. And then we can scroll down and we can actually create our ad. So we're going to use a single image ad. Here we can add some media. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add that image that I've now created with photo.com, that flight image editor that I just used. I'm going to add that and I'm going to click on continue, and that's what this looks like over here. And then for the primary text over here, I'm literally going to put the text that I used on my landing page. So I'm going to put I'm just going to make this smaller caps, biggest secret. So the first formal pilot reveals the travels industry's biggest secret on how to get free flight tickets, or flight tickets for free, fly free for all the time. And then for the headline, we can also add a headline: discover how to fly for free and travel on a shoestring budget. Or I'm actually just going to shorten that: discover how to fly for free. And I'm just going to leave this description empty. We don't need to worry about that. And our Facebook link, for the call to action, I'm just going to keep this learn more. Then the link to our website URL, we're going to use the link to our landing page, which I'm going to paste over here. So you can come back to your dashboard and you can right click on this link here and click copy link address and paste that on your ad. And there we go. This is what this final advert looks like. And when you're done, you can click on publish. You can swipe your card or enter your card details, and your ad campaign will start running. And eventually you'll probably start seeing traffic come through onto your ClickBank account, on your account, and you will probably see some sales coming in over time. So there we go. My ad is now in draft and ready to go. And what I'm going to do is I'm definitely going to create another ad set for this. I'll probably post this on my YouTube story or my YouTube community tab, posting an update on a future campaign that I'll run with this, maybe upgrading it to like $50 a day just to get more revenue into sales with a specific offer. But guys, this has been a really value-packed strategy on how to build a ClickBank business with Facebook ads. This is probably one of the best ways and most profitable ways to make money online. What I suggest is go have a look at Udemy, get some free courses on how to do Facebook ads, how to actually master that yourself. I will definitely be making a course or free course on this on this specific topic for you guys for free, a much more detailed one sometime, and I'll drop that on my channel for free. So make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that you can get that as soon as I launch that. But right here on the screen, I've got some of my best playlists on how to make money online, how to build an online business, and how to make money online, and how to grow your online presence. So if you're interested in that kind of content, choose one of these playlists on the screen right here, packed with value, packed with free tools, and choose one of these, and I'll see you there.